Have you ever had your credit score take a nosedive for no apparent reason? It's a frustrating experience, especially when you're trying to make major financial decisions like buying a house or a car. One of the first places you might turn to for answers is Equifax, one of the 3 major credit bureaus. But how do you actually get in touch with them? In this video, we'll walk you through the different ways to contact Equifax customer service. Method 1. Online chat. The easiest and most convenient way to reach Equifax is through their online chat feature. Simply visit their website and look for the chat icon, usually located in the bottom right corner. Once you click on it, you'll be connected to a customer service representative who can assist you with your query. This method is great for quick questions or if you need immediate assistance. Method 2. Phone call. If you prefer to speak to someone over the phone, Equifax provides a toll-free number. The number is usually listed on their website or in the contact information section of your credit report. Be prepared to provide your personal information, such as your name, address, and social security number, to verify your identity. Method 3. Written correspondence. If your issue is complex or requires a more formal approach, you can send a written letter to Equifax. Their mailing address is typically listed on their website. Be sure to include your name, address, account number, and a detailed explanation of your problem. Tips for contacting Equifax. Here are a few tips to keep in mind when contacting Equifax customer service. Be patient. Customer service representatives may be busy, so be prepared to wait on hold or for a response to your email or letter. Have your information ready. Before contacting Equifax, gather all relevant documents, such as your credit report, account statements, and any correspondence related to your issue. Be clear and concise. When explaining your problem, be as clear and concise as possible. Avoid using jargon or technical terms that may confuse the representative. Follow up. If you don't receive a satisfactory response within a reasonable time, follow up with Equifax. You can do this by contacting them again using the same method or by escalating your complaint to a supervisor. Contacting Equifax customer service can be a helpful way to resolve issues with your credit report or account. By understanding the different methods available and following the tips we've discussed, you can increase your chances of a successful interaction. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.